today's video, I'm going to be doing a protective style. I'm going to be doing some feed-in braids, and yes, I'm getting it done at home. I have someone coming to do my hair for me. I already prepped my hair and I've washed my hair, I've moisturized it, I put my conditioner and my oil, and I kind of twisted it so that the hair is a bit stretched, so that way it's easier for her to do my hair. What else? This is my first hair extensions this year. I just want something that I can carry for at least 3 weeks. Yep, I'm excited to get my hair done. Yup. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, okay? Let me know if you want to see more hair content like this.
Yeah, that my mamacita. Yeah, my shawty señorita. Yeah, anything she want, I give her.
Say hi, Mata.
Hi.
She's the one doing my hair, and she's the one that always does my hair in Abuja. So if you're in Abuja, I'll put her number here and her Instagram. You can reach out to her. And she's so fast, very fast. How many hours do you think will be done today?
In 2 hours.
In 2 hours. Okay, I'm going to time it and see if she pulls it.
So I'll be using Lush hair. These are just black extensions for my hair. Now Martha is helping me, detangle my hair. I already washed and moisturized my hair. It's slightly damp actually. I didn't stretch it with heat. I just stretched it by putting it in twists. So she's just unraveling it and she's going to detangle the hair using the Afro pick like so. As you can see, she's combing it from the ends to the roots, so it doesn't hurt me at all. So next, she's just making a line behind my head. You're gonna see in a closer view where she's gonna do like single braids. So I'm supposed to do like all back, but apparently they have to make a line behind for the hair to look extra nice. That's what I was told. I don't know if you guys know this. Anyways, so she's just making it one single braid at the back. I told her I want my hair to be very long, so it's gonna be like back length, reaching my waist basically. She's just doing the same thing again, making single braids behind my hair before she does the main feed-in braids in front. So now it's time for her to do the actual cornrows, and she's just creating a neat pattern on my hair using this tail comb. And you have to make sure you're very precise. That's what she's trying to do, so the hair looks super neat and clean. So she's starting with the braids with my own hair. She didn't put extensions first, so it looks natural and there's no breakage to my edges. And now I'm just giving her little extensions, cutting it bits by bits and giving it to her. This is like the Ghana weaving technique, but it's different. I don't know how to explain it, but they're similar. But this, she tries to make everything the same size. That's why I'm adding like the same amount of extensions. So guys, because I'm at home doing my hair, I have to be the one giving her the extensions. If I was in a salon now, like I'm sure there will be somebody else to be doing that and I can be on my phone, but I still prefer to do my hair at home actually than doing it in the salon, just for, I feel more comfortable at home and it's my space, you understand? So back to the hair, like you can see, I'm just giving her the extensions and she's weaving it like so. I know it looks like it hurts and my skin is being pulled, but it doesn't hurt at all. Like, I'm not in any pain. You would know if I had like discomfort from this video. Guess that part of my skin is my scalp is just stretchy, it's just flesh. So don't be scared, it doesn't hurt. She's doing the next part. As you can see, I was squinting a bit because my scalp is sensitive, but yeah, we all go through this. Just repeating the same thing again. She's starting with my hair and then she begins to slowly add the extensions bits by bits into the hair to make the feeding braids. I'm just checking out the size to see if it's okay for me with my phone, and it's fine. So just doing the same process. As you can see, the hair is like medium. I didn't want it too tiny. I thought I wanted it smaller, but then I was okay with this at this point. Like, it's fine. You guys, I detest like doing this job, giving her these extensions. I wish there was somebody else to help me because like I'm so over it. I just want to watch something. I just want to be on my phone, but I have to do this. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Yeah. Tell me if I'm the only one who like doesn't like doing these parts when they're making their hair. Please let me know in the comment section. Guys, I was tired. Like at this point, I was so tired. Like, can we be done already? But she's super, super, super fast. Trust me. If you're in Abuja, hit her up. Like, she'll do your hair and she's affordable. So, guys, finally done. And the next step, she had to put hot water on the braids. This just makes the hair softer and not stiff. You have to be very careful during this process so you don't get burnt. It's not funny because your scalp is so tender. Imagine hot water just touching your scalp. I wouldn't want to experience that. She's just using the steam and to dampen the hair so it's soft. It didn't hurt at all, but it was just scared for no reason. Next is just trimming flyaways so the hair looks neat. This part is optional because some people don't want to trim. They're scared that their hair, will get affected, which I understand. Next, she's laying my edges, my baby hairs. I didn't want her to pick it because I was scared that when I take this style out, I was going to lose my edges. So I specifically told her to leave my edges out and, start with, my own hair instead of starting the hair with extensions, so there won't be so much tension on my natural hair. So guys, this is the final results. I hope you liked this video. It took her 2 hours 30 minutes, and that's just because we were filming and she had to assist me with my camera and everything. But yeah, I really like this style and I'm gonna carry it for 2 weeks. Let me know if you want more styles. Let me know if you want more videos like this on my channel. Love you guys. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye guys.
You gotta look in your eyes, staring right into my soul.